Relax.
I keep farting. I think it was a
Don't-
black
Bro,
beans.
oh my god, I smelled that shit. Holy shit, dude.
I think it was a black beans pan burrito, bro.
I'm not even farting right now.
Just let it all out. I don't want to hear it in the middle of the video.
It's okay.
Alright, what is up, guys? Back at again with another video. Today we're going to be doing a major install for this Teggy right here. No, it's not a turbo like Pablo just said. It's coming. Maybe in the future, but today here we got some kicker speakers, because God, did that car need it. I think that stereo's been there since '95, and we also got a new head unit as well. So let's get this in, right, Pablo? All right. Nah, I don't, bro. All right, guys. So we got the 6.5 inch kicker 300 watt peak speakers. I don't know what any of this means, but a friend of mine, shout out to Tito, told me to grab these. I'm not by no means a stereo guy, nor do I know what I'm doing. Pablo supposedly knows, so he's gonna be taking over today's video. So if you don't see me doing anything, it's because I don't really know stuff and I'm learning. So we're gonna go ahead and install the head unit first, only because it takes a little longer. So I guess in order to do that, we're going to need to take out the center console. I think it's a couple bolts here.
Should be 2 in the middle.
Yeah, it's like 2 over here, and then 2 on the other side. So I can't really get to that. So we're gonna go start off by removing these screws right over here. We're gonna hop into the other side now. I think somebody's calling me back. And then, just like the other side, 2 screws right there. So after you get that screw, I think there's another set of screws in here. So kind of have to open that up and try to get to it. All right, come over. All right, so there's 2 screws here. Damn, that's dirty. I never removed this lid that was on there. It's my first time seeing this. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and take these screws off. It's a Phillips head. And if I seem sluggish today, I'm sorry. I just ate a burrito. It was kind of, I had a good snack, let's just say that. And your boy has got the itis. And yeah, it should come off just like this. Ew. Some stuff on there. All right, so I got the back half off. Now we're gonna move on to the front. And again, we got a Phillips screw here. Well, we got a screw here, and then we got a screw on the other side. Let me see that, Pablo, so I can show them. So yeah, we got that guy, and we got that guy. And then this should come off. I think we're gonna have to remove our shifter, our knob there, shifter knob. Want to get the other side, Pablo?
Yeah.
And just a disclaimer, guys, it's much easier when you have all the screws in one spot. I know it's like, wow, can you really? But just a good reminder. Leave your screws in the same spot, that way you don't lose them. Force it up. Oh shit.
There's a couple screws back there.
Oh!
I forgot about that.
Hello! Hello!
Hello.
Missed a couple screws. My bad, guys. So it's kind of right in there. Shout out to my boy Percy, aka Zosh. Make Christina great again. Doing that K-swap, boy. I see you. Alright, we just had a shocking discovery. So in order to take, I think, this radio out, I think you have to remove that bolt, that screw, and that one right there. So it's an 8mm.
Yeah. Orange.
Why is it orange? What the hell?
Fuck, bro?
Alright, I guess you guys are gonna have a partial orange video. But all that work just for this little tiny screw or bolt.
Little 8mm head.
Alright, so now we should be able to pull it off. Woohoo! There we go! Let's go! Ha! So, yeah, guys.
Took a radio out from an Integra.
Someone's a little excited.
Yeah.
We don't have much daylight, so hopefully we get this done pretty soon. There, aka that guy.
It's pretty dirty.
Then you got this, so I'm gonna go ahead. My bad, Pablo. Just hit Pablo in the head and unclip this. Oh, if I can. Probably gonna have to sit this down. Hold on, guys. Oh, all right. So yeah, and then it should just pop off.
Make sure you wrap it with black tape, please. I've seen a lot of people like wire stuff up in old school Hondas and stuff, and they don't use black tape. So please use black tape. Black tape, please.
So use black tape is what Pablo's saying. Don't leave exposed wiring.
Yeah, it'll mess up.
Alright, your boy didn't have electrical tape, so I had to come to the stone. I said stone. What am I saying? So your boy had to come to AutoZone. Alright, so yeah, that's what you need. Meanwhile, Pablo's getting some new wire cutters. Alright. I did not want this to happen, but it did. It's kind of dark out now, and we didn't finish, but we're gonna finish. Just came back from the local AutoZone. Yo, Pablo, let me get some, bro. Just some good nuts. All right, let's finish this. All right, so we started snipping the wires with the wire cutter. So this is what it's gonna look like for you if you have a stock Integra, stock wiring. So yeah, I'm gonna let Pablo do that. I'll show you guys the end result, kind of hoping I'm here. So I'm gonna have to put the camera down, guys. I'll show you guys when it's done. So 20 million years later, thanks to my boy Tito, we finally got it working. And I'll explain to you guys in a minute what we did wrong. So the matching the colors was ridiculously wrong. I'll probably put a diagram in the video of showing how it's supposed to be connected for a 95 Integra, but this is kind of what we did, or Tito did, not me. And again, I'll show the diagram what it's supposed to look like. And by the way, that's That's his M tray over there. And he's building a, what was that, custom subwoofer box? A custom speaker deck he's creating for his M3. Must be nice.
I'm gonna tape all these cables which are just hanging in there doing nothing. This one, this one.
So we just wrapped it all up, as you can see here, so it can look a little bit neater. Not that you guys will see it, but that is it, guys. After that, just install back all your stuff, which I'm gonna do in a few.
This one by my radio station model.
So now we're just gonna piece everything back. Oh, snap. Basically, it's the reverse of everything you did, taking it out. So I don't want to really bother you, well, really film that because it's kind of like pointless. Alright guys, as I'm editing this video, I forgot to close out this video that you guys are watching right now. I forgot to show you kind of like the final product of what it should look like. I don't know why you guys wouldn't know, but so here's a radio.
Forecasters say more flooding is on the way.
Everything's working as it should. I got the radio, I got Bluetooth connectivity, aux. I think this thing can play movies too, but anyways. So yeah, here she is, all put back together. I gotta clean this car. But anyways, this was a major install. If you have an older car, a lot of you guys should look into buying one of these. I bought this one on eBay, I think for like 90 or 95 bucks, something like that. It was a power acoustic, 6.2 inch doubled in, whatever, Bluetooth connectivity, all that good stuff. I was getting tired of my old radio. Basically, my old radio wasn't taking the cassette no more, it wasn't working, so I was like, I guess it's finally time. So I'm glad I got this. Now it's time to do the speakers, but I'm probably not going to do that tonight. Probably going to do it another day because I'm extremely tired. But that's something that everyone else should upgrade to. If you have an older car, like a 90s car, or even early 2000s, some of the speakers might go out. But yeah, guys, what do you guys think? Looks pretty good, I think, right? Here's the old radio. So on next video, you probably would see this install. It's a 6.5 inch kicker speakers, front and back. So 2 speakers in the front, 2 speakers in the back, 300 watt. Snap. But yeah, that's next video. And as always, guys, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe if you like what you see, if you like my channel, if you like what I'm doing. I would greatly appreciate that. So go ahead and hit that red button down below, give it a nice thumbs up. And as always, I'll catch you guys next time. Peace.